Hello, hello, my little angels. How are you? I'm so happy to be with you in here through this video, okay? So we are going just to see what are those activities we're going to work in this week. So go to Shaping My Language book, page 46. And there you will find this page, right? I'm gonna read for you this test in first place. Let's find my favorite animal. That is the title. Reading tip. A good strategy to help you remember a good story is to retell it in your own words. Start by identifying the characters, the setting, and the plot. Then retell the main events of the story. Remember to explain the story in your own words instead of the exact words from the test, okay? Remember that you have the audio, the lazy worms in this activity attached now, okay? And also in the Awesome Reader, you will find the book, the story, okay? The lazy worm, okay. Second point, it says, find the word in the box that best describes the image. Add the correct letter below each image. We can see the words walks, care, bucket, pond, bait. What we're going to do, we're going to write the letter A, B, C, D, E in the small squares here. You are not going to write the word, just A, B, C, D, E, right? And here we can see, point 1, imagine you have an imaginary pet. Draw it in the space below. Describe it to a classmate. So, my guys, look, I know that you have pets like cats, dogs, parrots, birds. It's okay. It's amazing that you have these beautiful pets. But what we are going to do in here, you are going to imagine another animal, okay? Can be an impossible animal that you can find like as a pet, okay? Can be even a dinosaur, can be a lion, an elephant, whatever you want in here because it's your imaginary pet, right? Page 47, we are not gonna develop that. Just go to page 48. Look at this, page 48. Right, so I'm gonna read the test for you. In here it says, read the test, underline the sentences that describe abilities. There are many things you can do on a farm. You can bathe the cows and the bulls. The cows can produce milk. The bull can pull the plow. Even little animals help. Earthworms can move around the soil, so when it rains, the soil can absorb water better. I can help too. I can feed the animals and walk the dogs. Okay? Look at this beautiful bowl. Oh my God. Amazing. So what we're going to do here, we're going just to underline what are those things, activities, okay? What are those abilities that the animals that the test described can do, okay? Good. In here we can see number 2, match the animals to the action they can or can do. Okay, we have number 1, elephants, 2, dolphins, 3, turtles, 4, monkeys, 5, birds. So in front we can see it says can swim, can climb trees, can fly, can jump, can lay eggs. So what is the idea? You have just to match with a line, okay, cross it, just to identify what are those activities that these animals can do or cannot do, right? Answer the questions. 1. Which activity from the passage can you do well? Which activity from the passage can you do? Which characteristic or ability from the passage do you want to learn? What is passage? Why it says passage is about this test, okay? So, what you have to do, you just have to say, oh, if the test says I can walk the dog, so I can say, okay, which activity from the passage can you do well? Okay, I can walk the dogs, okay? Or I cannot. I can't walk the dogs, okay? So that is the idea. Just answering 3 questions following the test, okay? The activities that you can see here in the test, right? For page 49, we see here language key. We use the modal verb can to express an ability a person or animal has. After auxiliary can, we use the verb in simple form. Examples: I can count to 100. He can ride a bike. Okay? Good. In here, as you see, some images. Look at this bull, the earthworms. Look at father, okay? A man. It looks like Arab guy, okay? And this son, okay, can be a kid. What you have to do with these words here: make tunnels, go fishing, move around the soil, pull the plow, bathe bull, turn over the soil. What you have to do, you have to put these sentences, these words, in the space that correspond. For example, the bull can go fishing. Do you think that? So you just have to write the correspondent sentence, okay, in the space in here, okay, in the lines, on the lines. The point number 5, you don't have to do it. No worries, you don't have to do that. Just is this activity that I know you can do it alone, okay? That is the idea, right? Okay, my 3rd grade, I'm so happy to talk to you, and remember that we see you in the next class, okay? See you. Bye. Bye. Bye.